Hey guys, do you want to buy Shiba token with any other cryptocurrency but you don't know how to do it? Then this video might be for you. Now there are multiple ways, but I will show you the one I did it with, and I used Binance. So let's go to Binance. If you don't have an account here, then sign up. I am signed in already. So let's go up here into wallet and we click fiat and spot. Now you choose the cryptocurrency you want to use to buy Shiba with. So let's just say Bitcoin. So you see Bitcoin right here. You go and click deposit. And there is the Bitcoin address you would be sending your Bitcoin in. We still can change this and let's just say Ethereum. So this is the Ethereum address. For this example, we can use Monero. So here is the Monero address. So we would be sending our Monero into this address. And once it's arrived and we have our Monero in our account, we go into trade and we click convert. Now Shiba has three pairs on Binance. That's BUSD, USDT, and Doge. So you can use any of those three to convert into Shiba. So let's just use for this example BUSD as I used this one before. And we have to convert our Monero into BUSD or any other cryptocurrency you just deposited into your account. Now you choose your amount or you choose max. You click away and it will take like 2 seconds for you to convert your Monero into BUSD. Once it's converted and you have now BUSD, then you go from BUSD into Shiba. Same thing, you enter your amount or choose max and just click away. It'll take like 2 seconds and you got your Shiba in your account. So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.